Hello my dear children. Children, in this video we will do exercises of chapter 2 from our novel Lesson in the Jungle. Read chapter 2 and tick the boxes true or false. We have studied chapter 2. Number 1. Father Wolf taught Mowgli the sounds of the jungle. True. Who taught Mowgli the sounds of jungle? Father Wolf. Mowgli believed that he was a wolf. True. Baloo taught Mowgli to hunt. False. Bagheera taught Mowgli to hunt. A cow was the price Bagheera paid for Mowgli. False. A bull was the price. In difficult times, food is more important than water. False. Water is more important than food. Mowgli learned all the languages of the animals. True. Fill in the gaps with the correct names of the animals. Then mime their sounds and action. Number 1. Hiss like a snake. Hiss like a snake. Number 2. Howl like a wolf. Number 3. Climb like a monkey. Number 4. Growl like a bear. Number 5. Hunt like a tiger. Complete the definitions below with the words from the box. In the box they have given the words. We have to complete this definition using these words. If you do something you are not supposed to do, you are naughty. If you do something you are not supposed to do, you are naughty. If you do something nice for another person, if you help others, if you are generous towards others, then you are kind. If you are very sad about something, you are unhappy. If you are sad about something, you are unhappy. If you think about problems or bad things that may happen in the future, you are worried. If you don't make any noise, you are quiet. If you do not laugh or smile, you are serious. If you are as good as you can possibly be, you are perfect. If you feel that you need to rest, you are tired. Match the phrases to their meanings. Come to understand. Come to understand means to learn about something over time. Take one's place. Take one's place means to sit or stand where one belongs. Suppose you are sitting on the front desk. If somebody will come and sit there, it means that person will take your place. Turn one's eyes away. Turns one's eyes away means to look away from somebody or something. In difficult times. In difficult times means when things are not easy. Number 4, over and over again. Number 4, over and over again means repeat it many times, again and again. Then number 6, a quick student. A quick student means somebody who learns fast. Dear children, these exercises you will do in your book neatly. Now children, exercise A you will do in your notebooks neatly. Start writing. First question is, why do you think Baloo and Bagheera were worried that Mowgli knew the monkeys? Discuss. So what was the reason Ballu and Bagheera were worried? Answer: Ballu and Bagheera were worried that Mowgli knew the monkeys because monkeys were troublesome. Trouble, SOME, troublesome. That creates trouble for others. They did not follow the laws of the jungle. I repeat, Ballu and Bagheera were worried that Mowgli knew the monkeys because monkeys were troublesome. They did not follow the laws of the jungle. Second question: do you think it is a good idea to have one teacher for each subject you study? Why? Why not? Now we have to give our views. Answer: it is a good idea to have one teacher for each subject we study because we can benefit, BENEFIT, from different styles of teaching, which will be interesting. So children, every teacher has different way of teaching. Every teacher is a master of a particular subject. So if we have different teachers for different subjects, we will be benefited. For why? We will come to learn in the different styles of learning. Next question: what do you like learning about most? Explain what you like best about your favorite subject. Now children, this is your idea. Whatever you like and what you like most about your subject, you can write. And I have written the answer. I like learning about people living around the world. My favorite subject is GK because it helps us to know about the world. Now exercise B. Dear children, this also you will write in your notebooks neatly. Find the following extract from chapter 2 and discuss their meanings. They have given extract from chapter 2. We have to write the meaning. Page 15. By night he, Mowgli, went down the hillside to the village and watched the villagers from a distance. It means Mowgli was curious, Curious, to know about the way the villagers lived. Number 2, page 18. A man's child is not like a wolf cub. He must learn all the law of the jungle. It means that Baloo wanted Mowgli to learn all the laws of the jungle so that Mowgli could protect himself from all dangers of the jungle. Number 3, page 18. Is there anything in the jungle too little to be killed? No, that is why I, Baloo, teach him, Mowgli, these things, and that is why I hit him very softly when he forgets. In this extract, Baloo means that Mowgli should be careful and bold enough to keep him safe in the jungle. So my dear children, with this we completed our chapter 2. You note down all the exercises in your book as well as in your notebook. Read the chapter, learn the exercises, complete your work and study well. God bless you.